Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate like your favorite coffee shops. We will start by focusing on the foundational ingredients. Selecting premium cocoa powder or real chocolate is crucial for a deep, satisfying taste. Opt for whole milk or a creamy plant-based option to achieve that luxurious texture. A small amount of sugar or sweetener is key to balancing the cocoa's intensity, and a tiny pinch of salt can truly elevate the chocolate notes. Next, let's perfect the mixing process for a silky smooth hot chocolate. Begin by gently warming your milk in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Avoid boiling it. In a separate bowl, whisk together your cocoa powder and sugar with just a few tablespoons of the warm milk to create a lump-free paste. Then, slowly incorporate the rest of the warm milk into this paste, whisking continuously. Heat the mixture until it is hot and has a slightly thicker consistency. Now, let's achieve that signature coffee shop froth and add some delightful finishing touches. You can froth a portion of your hot chocolate directly, or froth some separate milk to pour on top. Use a steam wand, a handheld milk frother, or even whisk vigorously by hand to create a lovely foam. Carefully pour the frothed milk over your hot chocolate for a truly luxurious texture. Finally, garnish with whipped cream, delicate chocolate shavings, or a dusting of cocoa powder. To truly elevate your hot chocolate, consider these advanced tips and customization ideas. Don't be afraid to experiment with various chocolate types, from rich dark to creamy milk or even sweet white chocolate. Infuse your drink with flavorings like a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of cinnamon, or even a tiny dash of chili powder for a kick. For a mocha, add 1 shot of espresso. Always serve in pre-warmed mugs to ensure your delicious drink stays hot for longer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.